Mr. Katofsky.
I thought he wasn't going to speak.
He's going to speak. That's what he just waved at me. Gentlemen, if you'll please both sign in, state your name and address, and obviously who you are, sir.
Kim Hauser. I represent the Monroeville Fire and EMS.
Very good. If you'll also sign in, please.
Yeah, I signed them in.
Oh, you signed him in? Okay.
Hi, I'm Harold Katofsky. I'm the chair of the Monroeville Fire Chiefs Committee. We just wanted to make sure that you had the letter that we sent to the municipality on our behalf by our attorney, that all of council got this last week. I don't know, did you guys get this?
No, that was forwarded to the attorney that's handling the investigation.
Okay. We did send a letter up from our attorney to the municipality offering to work together, resolve any issues, and handle this. And we just wanted to make sure all council saw the letter and were aware that, you know, we want to help and we want to be part of it. We think that some of the issues that were addressed tonight are issues, and we think some are not. So to keep it on the polite and professional side, we are there. Our attorney's just going to make a couple quick comments, and we're not going to be derogatory. We just want to be part of solving a problem and get on with life. We have business to do. We answer calls every day. We want the CAD system back up. Our fire department doesn't need this stress. You guys don't need this stress. And we welcome being, you know, working on this from day one.
I believe Mr. Bresnahan did contact you, Mr. Hauser?
Correct.
And you guys have spoke?
Correct.
We didn't receive a letter, though,
No,
correct?
I forwarded the letter to our attorney that's handling the situation.
Okay.
Well, Mr. Hauser, is it appropriate that council have a copy of the letter?
I think it's really for you to follow your lawyer's counsel. All we did was address the kind of the timing. As an example, we never even got to see the original complaint till like Friday, last Friday.
Mr. Dice, is that appropriate? I mean, it's just a
I think
letter.
what would be appropriate is that I would get a copy.
I'll leave it alone.
I guess my question is, was it addressed to us, council members?
Who'd you address?
It says municipality of. And at the time, I wasn't sure who special counsel was, who I was supposed to contact, other than I did reach out to Mr. Bresnahan, and he did indicate that he was working for you guys. And at that point, it's like, okay, I told him I have a response coming, but I hadn't seen any. I'm speaking on behalf of the EMS and the fire. They didn't see the complaint. And I think that's what caused them to at least call me initially was, gee, what's going on with special counsel? Why do you have an investigator doing this and that? And all we did was, what's it about? Well, we can't tell you. And then when you find out it's like OCR and there's issues like that, I had to reach out to OCR and find out, okay, what...
And I understand that. My question, I guess, was it addressed to all of council? Because I
The
did not
municipality
receive it.
of.
The letter was addressed to me, and I forwarded to the special legal counsel that's handling the case.
And in fact, it shows a copy to Mr. Bresnahan.
Correct. And as Harold said, I mean, you really have one of the best fire departments in the whole state, because I represent a fair number of them. And, you know, these guys saving your municipality like $6 million. You sit there and you get into this whirlpool of issues, and it's like, well, look, if you just showed it to us, and we want to work with you guys, so we look forward to that.
When you say you received the original complaint, was that the letter from Health and Human Services or the original complaint that was filed from Monroeville?
The letter from Health and Human Services.
The letter that...
And they won't release it. If you call, you know, I call and say, hey, I want to know what this is about. And they go, well, we can't tell you. Okay. Well, what's the proper response? And you know, what's the time frame? And they said, well, as long as you're working on it, they're fine. And so we look forward to working with it. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.